Dear students, in previous video we have discussed about the how to find the solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. There are three methods for finding the solution of quadratic equation. The first one, factorization method. Second one, by completing the square method. Third one, direct method or Sridharacharya formula. These are three methods for finding the solution of quadratic equations. So in first method we have discussed factorization method. Using that factorization method, find the solution of the quadratic equations. So in this video, going to second one method. That method is by completing square method. By using the completing square method, how to find the solution of quadratic equation. So second method is by completing square method. Okay. So when you are going to for finding the solution of quadratic equation by using complete square method, there are two formulas very important. So two algebraical formulas are very important. That a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And second one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are two algebraical formulas are very important for finding the solution of quadratic equation by completing square methods. So okay, let us we are going to see the example. I taking first one example. That is what? X square plus 4x is equal to 0. In the previous example, we did the quadratic equation having three terms. But in the given example, the quadratic equation having two terms. So no doubt this one is quadratic equation because the highest power of the x in the polynomial is 2. Therefore it is what? Quadratic equation but having two terms. Okay, third term is absence. So in such type of the example, we are going to completing square method. Okay, how to find the solution of this quadratic equation by using the complete square method? This example or these problems we can convert either one of the formulas, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. But looking that here example, the middle term is what? This is a middle term but last term is absence. So this is middle term is plus 4x. The sign is plus. So here in the given two formulas, so middle term, which one is the positive middle term? That is, this one is the positive middle term plus 2ab. So that example, this quadratic example, we can be convert this formula. Okay, by using of this formula, so this one can be rearranged. So how can to rewrite this the quadratic equation? So here x square. So x square is nothing but what? That is a square plus, keep as it is, plus as it is 2a. You can to write 2a, sorry 2. A value is what? In place of a here it is x and b. Okay, what about b? I don't know value the b. you can to rearrange. That's like what? We getting the 4x. So 2x into, that is 2. 2x into 2 is nothing but what? The 4x. So 4x, then plus b square. The what about b square? Here it is, b value is what? That is 2. 2 square is, you have to return 2 and you can to subtract. That is 2 square is equal to 0. So looking that here, x square plus 2ax into b plus 2 square. This will be converting as like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square formula is what? A plus b. In place of a, that is x, keep as it is plus. In place of b, that is what? 2. X plus 2 whole square. So minus, that is 4 is equal to 0. So this equation will be convert the completing square. Then it implies x plus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to, that is plus 2 minus 2, or x is equal to minus 2 minus 2. That implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 4. These are the root of the given quadratic equation or zeros of the given quadratic equations. Okay, these are the solution of the given quadratic equation, that likes x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 4. So I will go to another example on same method, but okay, I taking that another example. That is example 2. 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the second example for finding the solution of the given example using that by completing square methods. Okay, here 3x whole square. The 9x square can be written as like that what? 3x whole square minus. So okay, looking that in the middle term having negative. So in the given two formulas, which one is the middle term is negative? So obviously this one. Okay, this formula will be applying for in the given example, or the given example will be converting that formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here. So a square, in place of a square is what? That is 3x square minus 2. So you have to return 2 in the numerator part, you have to dividing on the denominator part, the 2 to get cancelled. Okay, next, so only you have to minus 15 can be rearranged or returns. So again you getting the minus 15x, no doubt it. Next, a, that is a is what? A is 3x. And what about b? So 2 to get cancelled, 3x again remaining, 3x into 5. That is what? 2 to get cancelled, 3x into 5 minus 15x. So again you get the same value, minus 15x plus, that is plus b square. The what about the value of b square? B square is what? That is, b square is 5/2 whole square. You have to written as a 5/2. You will be subtracting 5/2 whole square. So again one more term plus 6 is equal to 0. Now check that 3x square, that is 9x square, minus 2 get cancelled, again 3x into 5, that is minus 15x. So plus 5/2 whole square minus 5/2 whole square get cancelled, remaining plus 6. So you can do this equation, this quadratic equation can be rewritten as this like only. Okay, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. So making that, use the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b, in place of a what? In place of a 3x, minus keep as it is. In place of b, that is 5/2 whole square. Okay, minus 5 into 5 25, 2 into 2 4, plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, simplifying these terms. So now again write it, keep same, 3x minus 5/2 whole square. So minus 25/4 plus 6 divided by 1. Take it as LCM, that is 4, 1 ja 4 into 4 ja 4, that is minus 25 plus 6 into 4, 24 divided by 4, that is minus 1/4. So right here minus 1/4 is equal to what? That is 0. So now I will be written here 3x minus 5/2 whole square is equal to 1/4. Okay, next 3x minus 5/2 is equal to plus or minus 1/2. That implies 3x is equal to plus 1/2 plus 5/2, or 3x is equal to minus 1/2 plus 5/2. So taking LCM, so 6 divided by 2, that is 3, or so x is equal to, so 4/2, so cancel, then we will get 2. 3x is equal to 2. That implies x is equal to 3/3, we get 1, or x is equal to 2/3. So these are the solution of the given quadratic equation. The solutions are x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2/3, or these are the zeros of the solution of the given quadratic equation. Okay, dear students, I hope everyone understood this method, how to find the solution of quadratic equation by complete square method. So thank you for watching this video.